just explain briefly to you. If you have got those compressional forces, they operate from two sides, and then what you have got, you have a structure formed which is known as folding. This upper part is called as anticline, and the lower part is called as syncline. Learn these names only. And then if you have got, that is on which you have got the entire action has happened, as you can see in this diagram, that is called an axial plane. And then this is decline, and this is syncline I was talking about. And then what happens is, you can have symmetrical fold when you have the angle, we call this dip, the angle of inclination that we have got. If the dip is both same from both sides, is symmetrical. This is actually this is asymmetrical. Like you can see, this is a more of a sharper angle, and this is more of a gentle angle. So different types of fold that they get formed, and they have given name for them: symmetrical fold, asymmetrical fold, overfold when one side goes on the other, and then when it goes parallel to the other one, this is called as recumbent fold that we have got, as you can see in this picture.